And just when you thought it couldn't get any trickier, we're going to throw in something else. We're going to throw in a decimal, which we'll have to order. So now we have 7 over 8 to order, 9 over 8, 1 and 1/4, and 0.75. And we're going to try to throw this all on a number line. So let's get our number line drawn. Okay, there's our number line. So we'll take a look first of all at 7 over 8. We know that 7 over 8 is real close to 1 because the numerator is very close to the denominator. So we can go ahead and plop that in right away just below 1. And we're going to put 7 over 8 on our number line right there. The next one we're looking at is 9 over 8. Again, numerator very close to the denominator, but it's actually bigger. So we can not waste any time on that one and plop that one in right there. The next one we're going to look at is 1 and 1/4. Now, we can't really compare where that's going to fit in yet because we have unlike denominators. So we're going to take 1 and 1/4 and we're going to change that into eighths, okay? So in order to get 1 and 1/4 into eighths, we got to take a look at this fraction and change it into 8. So in order to get 4 to 8, we had to multiply by 2. So since we multiplied the denominator by 2, we also have to multiply the numerator by 2, which is going to end up being 2 over 8, leaving us with 1 and 2 over 8. Now, in order to find out if this goes before or after 9 over 8, we need to compare apples to apples first of all. We'll change this into an improper fraction, or we'll change this into a mixed number so we can compare them. Let's change 1 and 2 over 8 into an improper fraction. So if we take 1 and 2 over 8, 1 times 8 is 8, plus 2 is 10. That's going to leave us with 10 over 8. And since 10 over 8 is bigger than 9 over 8, 10 over 8 is going to fit right there. And finally, the fraction. We know that 0.75 can be written as a fraction as 75 over 100. And if you recognize that both of the numerator and the denominator can be divided by 25, we will end up with a fraction that is actually 3 over 4. And in order to place this fraction on the number line, we would like to get it into eighths. So an equivalent fraction, if we change this to something over 8, since we had to multiply the denominator by 2, we're also going to multiply the numerator by 2, ending up with 6 over 8. And 6 over 8 goes right before 7 over 8. So there is everything placed on our number line in order from least to greatest. 6 over 8 we know was our decimal 0.75. So there's our 0.75. And our 1 and 1/4 is actually 10 over 8. So this would be our 1 and 1/4.